Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add another language to your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows icon that says Start, and then you want to select Settings. Select Time and Language on the left side, and then on the right side, select Language and Region. So up at the top, Windows Display Language, if you click inside the drop down here, you can select a different language you may have installed on your computer. However, you actually do have to install a language before switching to it. So select Add a Language, and then you can search for it in the search field up here, and you can see everything that's compatible for. So if you look at the different icons here, each item is a different thing that it will be compatible for with that particular language. So display language, text-to-speech, speech recognition, and handwriting. Go ahead and select the desired language and then select next. And then you can go change any of the optional features here, as well as setting it as your default display language, which generally you probably would do in most cases. So you would keep that check marked, and then you would select install. This will take a couple minutes to install, so please be patient. Okay, so in order to apply the new display language, we need to go ahead and sign out. And then you can go ahead and sign back in. And there you go, guys. Should be as simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.